Hi everyone! Alfie and I thought you might be missing your science lessons this week, so we decided to bring you a very simple science experiment that you can try at home. Year 7, you will know all about this because you studied this last week, so you should be experts at explaining what's happening. So we have just a shallow dish here with slightly raised edges, and we also have some
Skittles.
Skittles, sweets, yeah. So, Alfie, what I want you to do is arrange them all around the outside. And you can do them in a colour order, or you can do them random. You could bunch all the yellows together, pinks together.
Might need a bit more.
Need some more.
Yeah. Just 2.
Try those. Make sure they're all around the edge.
Okay.
Oh, was there one too many?
Yeah.
I think we needed that one. One more. Okay, don't eat any more. Okay, so we have our dish of Skittles. Okay, and very simply, all we need to do is pour slowly some water into the middle. Just enough to touch the edges of the Skittles. Don't touch them. Make sure everything's nice and still. And we wait. What do you think is going to happen, Alfie?
Probably all the food colouring is going to come out into the water.
Okay. Sounds like a good idea. Let's keep watching. Can you see anything happening?
No.
Okay.
Just a bit round the edges.
No, I can see a bit around the edges too.
Yeah, just
Can you see it?
colour.
Right in front of your eyes, it's changing.
Yeah. There.
Keep watching.
Whoa, there. All around it's changing. Whoa.
Looks like a wheel.
Yeah. Can I have these off this?
If the dish is clean, which it was, and the sweets are fresh, and the water was fresh, at the end you can eat them.
Okay. Whoa. But this one and this one aren't
Yeah,
doing
why the
anything.
pinks? Look at all the pinks. That must mean that the pink food dye isn't quite as soluble as the others. I think the red came out first.
Yeah, the red's best colour.
And I think green as well. And orange is catching up.
Yeah.
But where's the pink?
Nowhere. Gone.
Not gone, it's still on the sweets.
Yeah. But it's only... On this one, it's tiniest bit faded.
Yeah, don't touch it, don't touch it.
I wasn't.
I can see a little bit's coming out. It's quite pale pink, isn't it?
Yeah. Like transparent.
That orange is nice and strong, isn't it?
Yeah, but it does look a bit like a yellowy orange. Light yellow.
Very cool.
But what happened if we turn them over?
Hang on. So, we challenge you to explain why this process is happening. I want you to use words like concentration, colour, pigment, particles, any science words you can to explain why the colour spreads out in the way that it does. Let's have one last look.
I think it's getting better now.
It is cool, isn't it?
Can I take the hair out?
No.
Mm.
Bye!
Bye.